DJ Flame It Up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiana, and I'm here to show you some new products that I have got. It is their rose water collection. So I want to talk to you all about it, and you're gonna watch me use it, as well as using some of the other products on the other line. Do my whole entire wash day because I only have the leave-in and the deep conditioner. So yeah, we're just gonna talk about everything. If you hadn't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to like this video when it's over, and let's jump right into the video. Okay, so I did get the TGIN Rose Water Collection. I got it from Ulta Beauty when it was not on sale. So they did release this product a couple of weeks ago, and it wasn't known on like any type of social media. They just snuck it up there, and then people started buying it. They're like, what? TGIN has a whole new line. They haven't talked about it. Like, what's going on? So they're waiting for their launch, which happened this week. And let me tell you something. I'm so upset that I did not wait, because all TGIN products were 50% off. So I did pay full price for these two products, but it's okay because these are like the only ones I really wanted. So I did pick up their rose water leave-in conditioner. So yeah, it's a little bit pricey, but the price of beauty, right? It smells so good. I don't know if roses smell like this because I'm allergic to flowers, but if that is what roses smell like, then this smells really good. And then I did pick up their deep conditioner. So this deep conditioner says that it's for waves, curls, and fine textured hair. Deep conditioner is a deep conditioner, and this says it's moisturizing. I know I love their Honey Miracle mask. A lot of reviews that I've seen on YouTube, people were saying that their deep conditioner was very watery, and mine is pretty thick. So it's like, I mean, it is coming out, but it's pretty thick. Others was like super soupy. If you ever use this deep conditioner that I have here, it's more liquidy. So you see how it just came out just like that? That is what people are saying that their rose water deep conditioner was, where mine is more of a thicker product. Like, it's not gonna come out as easy. So yeah, I don't know about that, but I did comment on one of their posts asking like, what is up with the texture? Like, my product is coming. I really don't want a soupy texture deep conditioner. So they said that because their products are handmade, the texture of it may be off a little bit, but it's the same benefits. So I got what I wanted. So if yours is a little bit slimier, then they said it's supposed to work the same. So I am gonna stick with the whole TGIN line. So I do have their shampoo from their first line. I love this shampoo. I had it for a while, and I don't really want to use it up, but it lasts a long time. Okay, it's on their moisture rich line, but it came out like a year or so later, and it's their sweet honey hair milk. I have never talked about these products on my channel, so I just thought it would be a good idea to use different products from this line because I really do enjoy it. For the rose water collection, they do have a shampoo, which I did not pick up because I have tons of shampoos. Like, it doesn't make any sense. And then they also have a styling mousse, and I'm not really into mousse lately, but I do have a video where I did use cream gel and a mousse to do a twist out, and my twist out was bomb. Okay, it was bomb. So I'm gonna go wash my hair out with the moisture rich shampoo, and I'm gonna come back when it's time for the deep conditioner. I just finished washing out my pre-poo, and I use the TGIN Moisture Miracle shampoo, and yeah, let's get into this deep conditioner. So like I said, it is for waves, curls, and fine texture hair. It does have some protein in it. If you are protein sensitive, this is not for you. And of course, you know, I always deep condition with my Curadew like 95% of the time because I really want the product to soak in. I just recently trimmed my hair, so I want my ends to stay good for as long as possible. So we're gonna start with the back. The deep conditioner was $17.99. That's basically the price of all the products in this line. It's gooey, which I like. And I'm going to take a handful and I'm going to add it in. There we go. Look at the curls. They are already defining. Look at those. So I am excited about that. Alright, so now we're going to use my Curadew. There we go. Alright, so as you can see, the product did soak up into my strands. So the reason why I love the Curadew, as you can see, is that the product has basically went into my strands, and that's why I love my hair steamer, is because it makes my deep conditioner work like 10 times better. So I'm going to add just a little bit more on it, and then I'm going to twist up this section. And that is the first section. So I'm going to finish the rest of my hair off camera, and I will be back when I get to the front. Hey guys, so I just finished adding the deep conditioner on this side of my hair in the back, so now I'm going to work over here. Let me tell you a little bit about this that I am noticing. So it has really good slip, It works really well with my Keraду. Now I'm not too sure how it will be if you don't have a steamer or if you don't have any type of like dryer to like give it like a real good deep condition, because this does go on really light, and I feel like I have to add just a little bit more just to make sure that the moisture is packed into it. But you can just tell that my curls are hydrated, and I am definitely focusing on my ends because I cut off a lot of hair, guys. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's a lot, but to me it seemed like it. So because I did steam my hair, I could just rinse it out right now if I really wanted to, but I'm gonna let it sit for like another 20 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you my thoughts about the deep conditioner. Guys, so I just finished washing out my deep conditioner, and let me just tell you, okay, this deep conditioner is bomb. Okay, bomb, okay, bomb. Moisturizing, my hair feels so soft. Washing it out, I'm like, oh my god. So it says to keep it on your hair from 15 to 20 minutes, but I definitely kept it in for about 30 minutes. So now we're gonna use the leave-in conditioner. I love that this is 13 fluid ounces. The deep conditioner was 12 fluid ounces, so you definitely get a lot for $17. I do love to add my leave-in conditioner all over my hair, so that's what I'm doing. Oh my god, this feels so good. Like, I really had to like zoom you guys in so you can see the curl definition. It is so moisturizing. It's like a lightweight leave-in conditioner. I don't know how many times I said moisturizer in this video, but it is so moisturizing. So it just feels so good. So I'm gonna finish the other side off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so I just applied the leave-in conditioner all over my hair, and I am truly blown away by these two products. It's just so moisturizing. My hair feels so good, and I'm a sucker for a good leave-in conditioner and for a good deep conditioner, and that's the reason why I bought it. I didn't really care for the shampoo because you have one shampoo, you have them all, and I have a lot of shampoos, so you know, I don't even need it anymore. But this is so good, and I cannot wait to see how the rest of my wash day goes. But do I recommend these two products? Absolutely. I got this hair milk from Ulta, and I will list down below the link of where I got it from, but I think it was around $14.99, and it does say that this hair milk is good for twist outs and braid outs, but it doesn't say wash and goes. So we're going to experiment today, and I do have my Eco Style gel here, so we're going to pair it together. I have my water bottle here, so I'm going to spray just a little bit more water on it, not too much. And it really activated back up the leave-in conditioner. So I have my hair milk here, so I'm going to add just a little bit, just about that size. I'm going to add it on, and let's see if it starts clumping. So, I'm going to add some gel. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay. Alright, so I could definitely tell that I cut my hair. But it's okay though. It's just hair. It's going to grow back. Hey guys, so I just finished adding the products in the back and on this side of my hair, and it's flaking. So I'm hoping that you know, see, look at my hands. So it's clumping. Hopefully it's not a bad combo. Usually I don't get flakes, so I'm just hoping when I sit underneath the dryer, everything will just dry up and just disappear. But again, my hair is super moisturized, so I'm thinking probably that it's just a lot of moisture in my hair and my strands are trying to take it all in, but it can't right now. So I'm just gonna continue. I'm gonna add just a little bit of the hair milk instead of a dime size, so you can just watch me put the rest of the product in my hair. Hey guys, so I just finished adding the product all over my hair. You can see I have major definition, and I'm just gonna hope that this dries properly. I'm gonna let it air dry a little bit and then I'll send it my dryer, but I will come back when it's fully dry and we'll just see the results. Hopefully it doesn't flake. Alright guys, see you in the next clip. Hey guys, so I'm back and this is day 2 that I have done my hair, and yeah, I've just been really lazy because I have not gone anywhere. So I did stretch my hair with these little plastic telephone cord looking thingies. So let's see exactly how it looked when we take it out. My hair smells amazing. Are we flaking? And we are flaking. Okay. Oh, so these are the things that I stretch my hair with. They look like a little old school telephone cord thing. I like these because it doesn't snag your hair. Alright, so this is what we are looking at. The curl definition is great. My hair smells freaking amazing, but I am flaking a lot. My hair is super moisturized. I'm gonna add a little bit of this Curls hair serum. I really love this stuff and it smells great. I'm gonna add a little bit on it just to see if that will help with the flaking. Oh gosh guys, I usually never have flakes, but do you see this definition though? It's crazy. Alright, so obviously I need to fluff and obviously I need to stretch my hair, so we're going to do that right now. I'm gonna pin up. Oh my god, even that look kind of cute. Alright, I'm just gonna pin up this section here. I'm just shocked at my results. Yes, it's flaking, but we're gonna get into that because I think I know the reason why I flake. Okay, so I just stretched out all of my hair, so now I'm just going to separate my bangs just a little bit. So you got to pull it, see where it naturally separates. I gotta be careful on the front because the front is my frizz prone area. Let's talk about these products. Like, I just did a little bit too much. Now I have a headache. Alright, so I did pair these two together along with my Eco Style Crystal Gel. So you did see that it did clump up on my hands. Now usually, technically that means the product is going to flake, but my hair doesn't flake. I wasn't really worried about that, but I have some flakage, but it's not bad though. I'm shaking my hair now and nothing is really falling anymore, so I don't know, I guess it was like that cast, I guess. But my hair feels so soft. I definitely have a hold. Shout out to my Eco. I don't know, people say usually these TGIN products flake. I never really experienced that until now, and They usually say like their daily buttercream or their twisted definition cream. Like those are things that flake a lot, but I have both those products and never flaked on me. But because I did these two together, I don't know, like this is super moisturizing and this is super moisturizing together. And then I use the rose water deep conditioner, which is super moisturizing. So I'm guessing like that whole entire thing together, it just was a lot of moisture, and my strands are like, yes mommy, I hear you, we are moisturized, I can't take any more right now. So whatever's left over, we're just gonna leave for the top, and you just have to deal with that. I really guess that's what my strands said, because I don't really flake like that. I don't know if you can see on camera, but you see there's a little bit of flakes. It's nothing to be like, oh my god, I need to go wash out my hair. I mean, even if it was like that, I wasn't gonna wash out my hair. But I did use the Afro Sheen products, and that did flake as well, but it went away later on that day. And I think this is gonna do the same thing too, but the only thing is this is really moisturizing. My curls look so good after my trim, and this product, I think next time I will only use this as a leave-in, or I'll use like a spray leave-in and then this on top of it. But I wouldn't put it together with a very super moisturizing leave-in together, because I guess that's what made the flaking. Usually I've been using Eco Style Gel since I became natural again, and that's been almost 4 years now, and Eco never let me down. I never flake with any product with Eco until now, and I really don't think it's the Eco Style Gel. I really think it was these two together, but next time I'll use one of them. But I mean, I really like the combo. Like if I go away somewhere where I know, alright, it's gonna be hot and dry, like definitely in the summertime, I will use these two products together. But I love the definition. It just looks so good, and I'm gonna go take some pictures in my room because it looks so good. So yes, I do recommend them. Maybe not together, but I'm not opposed to it because the flaking is not bad for me. But if you're someone that doesn't like it, then I don't really recommend using them together. But I like this a lot, and I didn't even use much of it because I noticed the clumping on my hands. So it's like probably like right here. I have a long ways to go, but next time I'll try to use this as like a regular leave-in conditioner and then put gel. But I like them. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Kinks and Curves, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.